Welcome to QuickBooks Bumps and Benefits, Tips and Tricks. I'm Steve Resuta, CPA. I like to help small businesses save taxes and increase profits. One of my favorite tools is QuickBooks Online. And today we're going to take a look at customers and getting paid, which is really one of the most important things with our business. I am now in our sample company. When we start out, we'll see dashboards. There's a lot of stuff missing, and we can come in and customize and add stuff. But what they don't have here, they've added a customer, but they don't have just customers in their initial menu when you first open up QuickBooks. So we can actually get that on here by jumping down to the menus, hit Customize, go to our bookmarks. And from here we can add customers and create our own customer center like we had in QuickBooks Desktop. And we'll jump right in here. When we come to Customer Center, this is one of the Customer Center and the Vendor Center are two of the best places to spend time receiving payments, billing, and getting paid, and also then taking care of your vendors and paying them to keep all your bills paid. When we come into the Customer Center, we start right here looking. We have a listing of overdue invoices. In this case, in our sample company, we have 10 overdue invoices for $1,500. And 20 upcoming invoices sitting here for $5,200 and $2,900 that have been recently paid. So if we want to take a look at overdue invoices, because if you're trying to catch money, you want to try and catch it as quick as you can, because the more an invoice becomes older, the harder it is to collect. And also to keep your cash in good shape, there's $1,500 that could be coming in, because again, these are overdue invoices. And the great things that QuickBooks Online has set up is reminders. We can click into an invoice. We can come in here and it'll give you an invoice. It will populate the invoice numbers, and you can also customize whatever note you have to the customers. If there's one invoice, it'll just put the invoice number in. 2 or 3 invoices, it'll populate those invoice numbers. We pop it right off, and there's one reminder. In this case, 2 invoices. We can come in here and take a look. Shows you they are overdue 6 days and 45 days. Another thing I like to do is also add due date and balance. Just gives us a little clearer picture of the customers. And right now I'm going to go back to customers, because to get to reminders, you have to actually be in the customer section and here in the overdue invoices. And we can now send a reminder out to that customer that has 2 overdue invoices. And again, it will populate automatically the 2 invoice numbers. It won't just say invoice when it goes to them. You can put any words in here or change the name. Whatever you want to put in there, you can put in and send this out. And there you go. Within 15 minutes, you can sit here and have the possibility of collecting $1,500. And if you got half of that, it's still going to help you out with your cash flow. When we come in here, we can also take a look at all of our upcoming invoices and just see what is in there. And again, go in here and add any columns that you like to this, just to help your view out. If you want to see email, phone number, mobile phone, that type of thing, just to help you contact customers and get paid quicker. And that's all we have for today. If you like us, please subscribe and also like us down below on this video. Until next time, Steve Resuta, and I would like to talk to you and help you save taxes and increase profits. Thank you.